Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Happy Llama. Today we will discuss about the benefits of moringa in times of corona. Now corona is here to stay and we must protect ourselves by eating healthy. As of now we only have two options, either have the multivitamins available in the market or look for something natural around us. Now moringa is one such plant which is packed with nutrients, vitamins and minerals. It has got all carbohydrates, fats, proteins, which is needed for a balanced food, balanced diet in our daily diets. Now, the tree that you see in front of you is known as the drumsticks tree. In Hindi, it is known as Sahajan, and the scientific name for which is Moringa oleifera. Now, it is a magical medicinal tree used in Indian dishes for hundreds and thousands of years, but sadly, call it our busy urban lives or ignorance, we no more use it, or we very hardly use it in our diets. Most commonly, drumsticks can be seen around us in sambars or in the form of meat curries or soups or in the form of pickles. In Hindi, it is known as Sahajan. In Marathi, it is known as Shevaga. In Tamil, it is known as Murungai. In Malayalam, it is known as Moringa. In Telugu, it is known as Murangyaka. It's a superfood which beats more than 300 chronic diseases in human body. The best part about it is all parts of the tree are usable, be it the leaves, be it the flowers, or the pods or the drumsticks. The Moringa powder which we see online or in the shops or we buy is basically made from the leaves and drumsticks, the pods. Now it's got various nutritional benefits. I'll quickly take you through the nutritional facts. It's got 64 kilocalories of energy, 8.2 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 1.4 grams of fat and 9.4 grams of protein. It's got minerals like vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9 and vitamin C, which is very crucial to increase our immunity in times of corona. It's got minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. Now I'll tell you about the wellness incentives of drumsticks or the benefits of having drumsticks. Number 1, it strengthens your bones. Number 2, augments immune system, promotes gut health, regulates hypertension. It's good for kidney health, lowers the risk of cancer, improves liver health, cures edema, fights bacterial and viral infection, regulates diabetes, promotes good vision. It's also good for pregnant and lactating mothers. In South India, pregnant or lactating mothers are given drumsticks in order to have a healthy baby. Apart from that, it also enhances skin health, delays signs of aging, remedies acne. It also improves sperm count and vitality. For your information, I would also like to mention that drumstick plant was introduced in African countries where malnutrition and hunger exist. I hope this video helped. Thank you.